Hi everyone. Today we're going to practice using some shapes to draw pictures. So let's start with our warm-up. This is our warm-up that we're going to use to trace shapes to get our hands warmed up. You can trace your shapes with whatever you like. At your table you should have markers, you should have pencils and crayons. I think I'm going to use a marker because I like how bold they are. So I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to put my name on top. And then I'm going to trace each of the shapes really simply. So just slow and steady on the dotted line, trace each of the shapes. Circles, rectangles, triangles. This one here is called a rhombus, square, and heart. Now I'm just doing the first one to show you. You should do all of them all the way down. Pretty simple, just to get your hand warmed up. Then you're going to switch to your shape drawing packet. Now we're going to practice drawing shapes to build an object. So each of these shapes or each of these objects is a letter in the alphabet. So A for apple, B for bear, and all the letters in the alphabet are in your packet. So I'm going to start by putting my name on the top of this. And I'm going to start with A for apple. So let's zoom in so we can see here. A for apple has 6 directions. See how it's numbered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to start with a pencil, then I'll switch to marker, and then I'm going to use crayons. So we have 3 art supplies to use today. I'm starting with pencil because it has an eraser. Just in case I make a mistake, I can erase. So I'm going to start with step 1. Draw a circle. Okay, I can do that. All right, step 2, draw a line. Step 3, close the line with 2 more lines and make it a triangle. Step 4, add an oval. Step 5, add another line. Step 6, I can give it a smile. Look at that, I drew an apple. All right, now I'm gonna switch to a marker. I am going to take any color marker, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline my lines. The reason why we do this is so that our lines stand out nice and dark before we color our picture, so our pencil doesn't disappear. So I'm going to carefully go over all of the lines that I drew. Outlining also helps you kind of fix any little mistakes that you made with the pencil. Kind of just finalizes it. And then I'm going to switch to crayon. So I drew with the pencil, I outlined with marker, and now I'm going to color with crayon. So I'm just going to find a color that I think I would like to shade in the apple and just lightly press my crayon to color in the shapes that I drew. You can color any colors you like. I like to color this red, and then I think I'll color the stem green, or the leaf green actually, and the stem should be brown. All right, I think my apple is done. Let's switch now back to our pencil because we're gonna do B for bear. How do we draw B for bear? Let's start with a circle. And another little circle. And another one. Oh my gosh, 2 more circles. Another circle. 2 dots. And it looks like I'm missing some lines here. I'm missing these lines. And these. So notice I'm going very slow, friends, and I'm taking my time. I'm looking at one step at a time and adding a little more, adding a little more, adding a little more. All right, I'm gonna take my marker now, outline my picture so that my lines stand out nice and dark, nice and bold before I color it. All right, now B for bear. I think I'll color him brown. Switch to crayon for color and shade. All right, friends. So I think you get the idea. You're going to do as many objects as you can following the directions so that you can use shapes to draw pictures. We're going to get a lot of drawing practice in today. It's okay if you don't finish all of your pictures. As many as you can is good enough for me. Take your time, don't rush, and go on to the next page when you're ready. All right, friends, I can't wait to see your shape drawings.